2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, remote vehicle start, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, front wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, MP3 player, bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.